VIP action coming up tonight, ESPN2. Providence hosting Miami, 7 Eastern, followed by Georgetown versus Baylor. NFL, Arizona Cardinals quarterback Kurt Warner, who played through a hip injury last season, has had arthroscopic surgery on the left hip yesterday. He's expected to be ready for voluntary workouts with Cards by May 19th. Buffalo running back Marshawn Lynch says he expects to be suspended by the league this after he visited with the commissioner yesterday following his latest run-in with the law. Veteran infielder Aaron Boone leaving the Houston Astros at an emotional news conference today. Boone announced he's going to have open heart surgery to correct a troublesome aortic valve.
Sports Center every 20 minutes. ESPN Radio.
First Levine spring training report coming up next. Also, Jeff Emerson has the latest from Alice in the 4 o'clock hour at the Afternoon Saloon. Brought to you by Pet Supplies Plus. Attention pet owners now throughout March. Pet Supplies Plus has special buy one, get one free deals on select items throughout the store. Buy one, get one free. This month at Pet Supplies Plus, your pet's favorite store.
The Afternoon Saloon, ESPN 1000.
Harry is back, and we're glad to have him here. Harry, it's good to see you, my friend.
Ron, you're great to be back. It's fun to be here. This is what I was born to do.
Good to see you.
Get down.
Lie down or stand up and lying down. I still get the spins, and normally I pay a lot of money for that.
That's pretty different from most days.
I think you're first. I did. Real bad. I was very contact yesterday, but I felt like I couldn't remember what I was saying. I wouldn't be able to make my points. And so I had two people